Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the TriNet Mobile HR app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. TriNet Mobile is an HR management app designed to help employees and employers handle essential workplace tasks directly from their phones. It provides access to payroll information, pay stubs, benefits, tax documents, time-off balances, and company announcements. The app is available on both iOS and Android and syncs with TriNet's cloud-based HR platform used by many businesses. The app's main feature is convenience. Employees can view their pay details, request PTO, check benefits, update personal information, and connect with HR without needing a desktop. Managers can review team information, approve requests, and stay updated on employee records. Everything is designed to streamline HR interactions and reduce paperwork. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate how easy it is to access pay stubs, benefits data, and tax forms on the go. The interface is simple, and having HR tools in one place saves time. For companies that already use TriNet system, the mobile app makes daily workflow much smoother. However, there are some drawbacks. The app's features depend heavily on what the employer enables, so some users may see limited options. Occasional loading delays and login issues are also reported. In addition, certain HR actions still require the desktop version, which may reduce convenience for some users. In summary, the TriNet mobile app may be worth using if you want quick access to pay information, benefits, HR resources, and easy PTO management. However, if your company restricts available features or if you prefer a more complete desktop experience, the app might feel limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.